Hello. In our previous video, we found the volume of rectangular prisms. That was a box where all the sides were rectangles. As we learned previously, a prism can have different shapes as their bases. So in this problem, we're going to look at the volume of triangular prisms. So let's take a step back and look at the volume for rectangular prisms. Again, if all the sides are rectangles, I can take the volume as length times width times the height. So let's go ahead and find the entire volume of this box. In this case, the volume is 10 times 5 times 6, which is 300 inches cubed. Now you'll notice that I divided this prism into two separate prisms. Imagine I sliced through from the top right corner to the bottom left-hand corner. Those two triangular pieces would have the same volume, even though they're mirror images of each other. So if the volume of the entire box was 300, the volume of just the green prism would be half of that. So I can take 1/2 times 300, which means that my green triangular prism has a volume of 150 inches cubed. So if I want to find the volume of a triangular prism, I start by imagining that all the sides were rectangles. So what if I had a prism where the front was a rectangle? I'm going to use the lengths that meet at that right angle to find the the volume as if this was a rectangular prism. So if I had a rectangular prism, I would multiply the length, width, and height. So my entire rectangular box would have a volume of 12 times 8 times 5. That would give us a volume of 480 if I had the entire rectangular prism. However, in this case, I have that sloped ramp. I want the volume just of that ramp, which is half of the rectangular prism. So the volume of my ramp would be 1/2 times 480, or 240 feet cubed.